This unit will cover the male and female reproductive systems. This particular lecture is on the male. The testes are the male gonad or sex-producing organ. The scrotum is the pouch supporting the testes and is divided into internal compartments by the white fibrous capsule. The seminiferous tubules are the location of spermatogenesis or sperm production. Inside the seminiferous tubules, we have Sertoli cells, which help to nourish, support, and protect the spermatogenic cells. They also produce fluid for transport of sperm and release inhibin. The Leydig cells secrete testosterone. Inhibin will shut down sperm production. The root of the penis is attached on the inferior side of the torso to the ischium. The body is composed of 3 cylindrical masses of erectile tissue, which infuses with blood during arousal. The corpora cavernosa and the 2 dorsolateral masses, while the corpus spongiosum is the midventral mass. The anatomical position of reference is the erect position. The glans penis is the enlarged region at the distal end with the external urethral orifice. The prepuce or foreskin loosely covers the glans penis in an uncircumcised male. There are a series of ducts and tubes involved in the male reproductive system. The epididymis is located in the posterior testicle and provides a location for sperm maturation. The ductus deferens or vas deferens connects to the epididymis and carries the sperm into the pelvis through the inguinal canal. Sperm is stored here and can be viable for several months. The ejaculatory duct carries sperm to the urethra and fluid from the seminal vesicles to the ductus deferens. The urethra is the terminal duct and is used for both the passage of sperm and urine. The seminal vesicles are located between the bladder and the rectum. They produce an alkaline secretion with fructose to neutralize the acidic environment of the female and provide nourishment to the sperm. The prostate is a donut-shaped gland that surrounds the upper urethra. It produces an acidic fluid used by the sperm for ATP production. The bulbourethral glands, or Cowper's glands, are located inferior to the prostate and produce an alkaline secretion into the urethra to protect the sperm from urine. They also produce mucus to lubricate the end of the penis and urethral lining. The semen include both sperm and secretions. The sperm are the male gamete and the smallest human cell. The head contains the genetic material, and the acrosome contains enzymes to aid in penetration of the oocyte. The midpiece contains the mitochondria to power the sperm, and the flagella is the tail to propel the cell. The male hormones begin with the secretion of gonadotropin-releasing hormone from the hypothalamus to stimulate the anterior pituitary to secrete FSH and LH. LH stimulates the Leydig cells to secrete testosterone, and FSH acts with testosterone to stimulate spermatogenesis. Testosterone is the main androgen, along with assisting in sperm production. DHT, or dihydroxytestosterone, is made from testosterone and enlarges the male sex organs, along with the development of the secondary sex characteristics. The Sertoli cells secrete inhibin to inhibit FSH when sperm production is adequate. Testosterone and DHT have several effects on the male. It is responsible for prenatal development of the external genitals and can be converted to estrogen in the brain. It is involved in developing secondary sex characteristics, sexual function and behavior, and spermatogenesis. It helps to stimulate anabolic reactions and protein synthesis, giving males heavier muscle, bone, and lean body mass. Spermatogenesis occurs through meiosis. Meiosis I is similar to mitosis, but the homologous chromosomes do not pair, and there is gene crossing over for genetic recombination. The genetic information is duplicated to make 2 cells with full copies of the genetic information. In meiosis II, there is no DNA replication, so each cell from meiosis I ends up producing 2 haploid spermatids. This results in 4 haploid sperm originating from a single germ cell. We're going to watch a short video clip from McGraw-Hill on sperm production.
Spermatogonia are the cells from which sperm cells arise. The spermatogonia divide by mitosis. One daughter cell remains a spermatogonium, and the other becomes a primary spermatocyte. The primary spermatocyte divides by meiosis to form secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes divide again to form spermatids. The spermatids differentiate into sperm cells.
You also have access to this video through a link if you'd like to watch it again outside of this presentation.